welcome back to my studio. Welcome to another Challenge or Be Challenged on Friday with Friends. Tonight's special guest is just Janese, and tonight's challenge comes from Janet, and that is to do a landscape, but no pouring. You're allowed a paintbrush, a palette knife, sponges, washcloths to apply your paint, and only paint and water. So let's see how this goes. Hang in there. We'll go down to the canvas. Okay, I am working on an 11 by 14 canvas. I have a whole lot of different paint colors here. I will list down in the description box for you the ones that I actually end up using. For now, for the simplicity of it, I'm only gonna just maybe name them as I go, but probably not. So, this is not my forte, but we're gonna give this a shot and see how it works. So I'm gonna get some paints ready and we'll get started. Okay, we're gonna think about this for a minute. Okay, I just want to add a tiny bit more and then we're going to call this piece done. Let me bring it in for a close-up. All right, now this is still pretty wet, but there's my little trees in the foreground, my snow-capped mountains, the little valleys. There's my little home, some bushes out front, my little river running through. All right, I'm going to let this finish drying and then we'll have final results. Okay guys, we have the final results on this challenge pour. So over here's my little house with these little bushes. I'll go up into the mountain range here. I'm really happy with my mountain range. I like that part best. And then we come over here, we have my little happy trees. My little stream going down the center. This was a fun challenge. A little different for me. A little too real maybe. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Now this is part of our Friday with Friends train. Before me you should have seen Just Janese. And after me is Acrylic Creations by Jwitty. So please follow along the train. All of the links are down in my description box. Have a wonderful weekend, everyone.